Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to start new chapter number 5, multiplication. You have learned about multiplication in the previous class and you multiplied small numbers, that is 1 digit number by 1 digit numbers, 2 digit number by 1 digit numbers. So what is the multiplication? What is the multiplication? Multiplication means multiplication is a repeated addition. Multiplication is a repeated addition. See, if we add 2 5 times, so we get 10, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10, we get 10 is same as 2 multiplied by 5, 2 5s are 10. So instead of adding 2 5 times, we can multiply 2 by 5. Listen, for multiplication you need to know table very well. So you have to learn the tables. You have to learn the tables. Now before going to our topic, I take some basic that you have already learned in the previous class. Now see here, multiply 6 by 7. So here 6 is a multiplicand. Multiplicand means a number which is to be multiplied by another number. A number which is to be multiplied by another number. And 7 is a multiplier. 7 is a multiplier. Multiplier means a number by which a given number is to be multiplied. 6 sevens are 42. 42 is a product. 42 is a product. Now we multiply 7 by 6. So 7 6 are 42. So we get again product 42. We get the same product. So we can say that the product of two numbers remains the same even if their order is changed. Now see here, multiply 0 by 5. So if you multiply 0 by 5, we get 0, or if you multiply 5 by 0, so we get 0. So we can say when we multiply 0 by any number, or when we multiply any number by 0, the product is always 0. Now see here, multiply 20 by 30. So how do you do? See here 0 in the unit places, here 0 in the unit places of both numbers. So first we multiply the digit in their tens places. So 2 3s are 6, and then we write 2 zeros in front of 6. 1 0 from 20 and 1 0 from 30. So we write 2 zeros in front of 6. So remember, if there is a 0 in the unit places of both the numbers, then multiply the digit in their tens places and write 2 zeros after the product. Now come to our topic, multiplying a 3-digit numbers. Multiplying a 3-digit numbers. So we see the examples. See here we have to multiply 4 by 100. Here 4 is a 1-digit number and 100 is a 3-digit number. So how can we do this? See, 100 is also written as 1h. 100 is also written as 1h. So here 4 multiplied by 100 is written as 4 multiplied by 1h. Now we multiply 4 by 1. 4 ones are 4 and h, 4h. 4h means 400. Now see here we have to multiply 6 by 100. So here we multiply 6 by 1. 6 ones are 6, and then we write 2 zeros in front of 6. So we get 600. Now we multiply 2 by 400. So here we multiply 2 by 4. 2 4s are 8, and then we write 2 zeros from 400 in front of 8. In front of 8. So we get 800. What do you understand from this example? While multiplying whole hundreds by another number, multiply the hundreds digit by the other number and write 2 zeros in front of the product. Now let's come to the next example. See here, rupees 300 to be collected from each student for a picnic. 4 students paid on the first day what was the total amount collected on that day? See here, how many rupees were collected from one student? 300 rupees. How many? 300 rupees. And first day, how many students paid? 4 students. What we have to find? We have to find total amount collected on the first day. So, how can we solve it? To solve this, first we take 300 4 times. 300 4 times. And 300 is 3h. So, here we take 4 times 3h. 4 times 3h means 3h multiplied by 4. So, here we multiply 3 by 4. 3 4s are 12 and then we write h in front of 12. So, 12h means 1200. 1200. So, here we get 1200. So, we can say that rupees 1200 were collected on the first day. Now, come to the next example. See here. If 40 students pay rupees 300 each, what is the total amount of fees collected? Here, how many students? How many students are there? 40 students. And each student paid 300 rupees. Each student paid 300 rupees. What we have to find? We have to find total amount of fees collected. We have to find total amount of fees collected. So, to solve this, we have to take 40 times 300. 40 times 300 and 300 means 3h. 300 means 3h. So, here we have to multiply 3h by 40. 3h by 40. So, multiply 3. First we multiply 3 by 40. So, 3 4s are 12 and write 0. So, we get 120 h. 120. And then see, here is h. See, here is h. So, we have to write 2 zeros in front of 120. So, see, if you multiply 300 by 40, we get 12,000. We get 12,000. So, see, if we multiply 40 by 300, so first we multiply 3 by 4. First we multiply 3 by 4 and then write 3 zeros in front of 12, 2 zeros from 300 and 1 zero from 40. So, we get 12,000. Now, let's see the exercise. Now, we solve the exercise that given in your textbook, page number 30. See the question number 1. Carry out the following multiplication. See, in this first one is 4h multiplied by 5. So, here we have to multiply 4h by 5. 4h means 400 by 5. So, first we multiply 4 by 5. 4 5s are 20 and then we write 2 zeros in front of 20. Why? Because here is h. So, we get 2000. Now, see the next one. Next one is 20 multiplied by 3h. So, here we multiply first 2 by 3. 2 3s are 6. Then we write this 0 here and after that we write 2 zeros. Why? Because here is h. Now, we have to multiply 400 by 40. So, here first we multiply 5 by 4. 5 4s are 20 and then we write 3 zeros. 2 zeros from 500 and 1 zeros from 40 in front of 20. Now, see the next one. Next one is 800 multiplied by 60. So, here we multiply 6 by 8. 6 8s are 48. 6 8s are 48. And how many zeros we have to put here? See, 2 zeros from 800 and 1 zero from 60. So, 3 zeros. We have to put here 3 zeros in front of 48. So, we get 48,000. Now, the next one is 35 multiplied by 200. So here we multiply 35 by 2. 35 2s are 70 and then we put 2 zeros in front of 70. So here we get 7000. Now see the next one. Next one is, see here it gives first box and then multiplied by 7 we get 7000. So see here, in the product after 70 how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. That means if you multiply 70 by 100, so we get 7000. So here 100 is come in the box. See here. Here we completed 6 question. Remaining 6 you have to solve by yourself. This is your homework.